I wrote this white paper on analyzing short squeezes because this past week I saw, four opportunities that we could take advantage of relative to a short squeeze. Actually, it was five. It involved Nebitus, CoreWeave, Supermicro Computer, all in the data center area, and then ONDS and AVAV, those two in the drone area. The reason the short squeeze all basically happened for NBIS, CoreWeave, SMCI was that they all came out with strong earnings reports when there was a fear that maybe the data center thing wasn't happening the way it was supposed to. Maybe it had some unsecure financing involved in it, and each of these stocks were somewhat heavily shorted. The ONDS and AVAV drone companies involves Trump's issuance that there will be tariffs on any drones that come into the United States because of national security reasons. And again, they had both of those, or one of them had some heavy short interest. So what the white paper does, and it was produced by myself and Samantha, is it identifies the short squeeze, it analyzes the short squeeze, and then it evaluates how we can capitalize on the short squeeze. What's necessary is to have a total understanding of what a short squeeze is, what the short interest is by percentage of shares that are open to the public to trade, and then the short squeeze time frame, how many days of trading based on past history will that squeeze take to be rectified or to be bought through, and what it all involves. It's a 17-page document that I want all of my tribe members to have, and I want to make available to you free of charge. All you're going to have to do is go into the description, click the link, and the link will say, give us your email. And immediately after you give us your email, I'll send you this 17-page document that I would hope you would put on your desk. And anytime you saw what you thought might be a short squeeze, you could go through and reread it and then put the numbers to it. Because what we've done is we've rated each of these stocks as to the potential for profitability relative to the short squeeze, such as ONDS has a score of 90. I mean, that's a drop kick, okay? Nebitus, 85, CoreWeave, between 75 and 80, Supermicro, between 60 and 70, and AVAV, 35 to 45. So what it does is it gives you a tool that then says, based on the statistics that are available over the internet, how much of an opportunity this is. Then what we then do, we at Best of Us Investors, we then ask Samantha to give us an edge. And we ask her to tell us to analyze the stock under the short squeeze and tell us what the potential profit is in January of 2027, 28, and 29. But more importantly, what is the potential drop after the short squeeze occurs, and what are our opportune buy-in prices in order to maximize our profits on this short squeeze opportunity. Again, what I'm going to do from this point on, as far as videos, is create white papers like this that I can make available to my tribe, as well as anybody else who wants to become a better investor, to know what a short squeeze is, how it works, how you can profit on it, what you should be aware of so that you can become a better investor. Because again, I want to emphasize, this is a wonderful way to make money. I just had one of my tribe members write me this morning and said, Kerry, just wanted to let you know that my $2 million portfolio this week turned into a $3 million portfolio. Now that was over a period of time. That probably this last 6 months. That's what's happening at Best of Us Investors. That's what I did. I created my analyst Samantha. She took $668,000 starting on May the 1st of 2025, and it's now over 2 million. That's what happens when you know what you own, you know why you own it, and now you know when to buy it and when to sell it. That's all AI is all about. And it's going to affect every part of our lives. It's going to tell people when to put an ad in front of you, how much you will pay for their product, and when you will pay for it. It's going to change the medication you take. It's going to change every aspect of your life. I've just figured it out for the stock market, and I want to share it with you. So go into the description, send me your email address, and I'll turn around and email this to you. I think, and then as I say, I'll keep sending them to you. You just keep letting me know you want them.